Hi students, welcome back to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss one of the very important part of pair of linear equations in two variables. And this is the last part of that chapter. And there we have discussed that when we are getting two equations that should be converted into linear equations, then only we can solve it. So we will move to the question. I have written the question here. Two women and 5 men can finish a work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also by 1 man alone. So women and men are doing the works in different conditions. So conditions returns on the board. So we'll go to the concept. Now we can say that, so there are two. Find the time taken by 1 woman and also the time taken by 1 man. Okay, time means here the days. So we will write here, let the days taken by 1 woman alone to complete the work in be x days, and the days taken by 1 man alone to complete the work in y days, that we have taken. Okay, it means 1 woman can complete the work in x days, 1 man can alone to complete the work in y days. Okay, we have written that one. Now we know that one here, the 1 woman can complete the work in x days. It means, suppose if a person can complete the work in x days, what fraction of the work done in 1 day? That is 1 by x work. Another example I will give. If I am able to complete a work in 10 days, 1 day I can complete 1 by 10 of the works. If I am able to complete a work in 100 days, 1 day I can complete 1 by 100 of that works. So this should be converted in the 1 day's works. That means work done by 1 woman in 1 day equal to 1 by x work, because she is able to complete the work in x days. So 1 day the woman can complete the work is 1 by x work. Okay. Now work done by 1 man in 1 day equal to 1 by y, because he is able to complete the work in y days. So 1 day he can complete 1 by y work. So that is very important. Then we will think about the conditions. As per the first condition is saying 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. It means 1 day 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y equal to 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y equal to 1 by 4, because it is a work of 1 day. That is the next one. As per the second condition is saying 3 women and 6 men. That means 3 into 1 by x plus 6 into 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. That we know. 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. 3 by x plus 6 by y equal to 1 by 3. Then what shall we take? You will see both conditions. You see 1 by x is common. So let 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b we have taken. Then instead of we are going to substitute this one, that is equal to 2a plus 5b equal to 1 by 4. 3a plus 6b equal to 1 by 3. So I will write this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Then we will think about the simplification or solution, how to find out. We got linear equations here. When we get linear equations, we can apply substitution, elimination or cross multiplication method. Here I use elimination method. In elimination method, any one of the variables coefficient will be equal. Okay, so we can see that here it is 2a, here 3a. So you multiply to make it equal. Here you have to multiply by 3, and here you have to multiply by 2. So if you multiply, that is equal to 6a plus 15b equal to this one into this one into this one. So 3 by 4, and 6a plus 12b equal to 2 by 3 we are getting. Then we are going to subtract. Subtracting time reverse sign. So no matter direct subtraction, anyway subtract that equal to 15 minus 12b equal to 3b. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So 3b equal to, you can cross multiply. 3 these are 9 minus 8 whole divided by 3 4s are 12. That is 3b equal to 9 minus 8, 1 by 12. Therefore b equal to 1 by 12 into 3, that is equal to 1 by 36. We got b equal to 1 by 36. Now we are going to substitute the value of b in any one of the equation. So here I substitute in the first equation. So 2 into a plus 5 into b equal to 1 by 36 equal to 1 by 4. That is equal to 2a plus 5 into 1 by 36. That is equal to 5 by 36. Okay. 2a equal to, then we will take this one to right side. 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. Again 2a equal to, we know that we are taking LCM method. Take 36 as LCM because 4 and 36. 36 is the multiple of 4. So we can take 36 as the LCM. So we took 36. In 36 for how many times? 9 times. 9 into 1, 9. 9 minus 5. That is equal to 2a equal to 9 minus 5 by 36. That equal to 2a equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4. 4 by 36. We can simplify here. If you simplify this, we will get here 1 by 9. We will get. That is equal to 2a equal to 1 by 9. Therefore, a equal to 1 by 9 into 2. Not 9 divided by 2. 1 by 9 into 2, 18. That is equal to a equal to 1 by 18. So, we got a equal to 1 by 18 and b equal to 1 by 18. And we are going to connect with the first part. We have written here. Here we know, let 1 by x be a, we have written. Let 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b now. So 1 by x equal to a equal to 1 by 18. That is therefore x equal to 18. And 1 by y be b equal to 1 by 36. Therefore y equal to 36. Okay. And last, what is actually we got x and y. X and y is written here. That is here, let the days taken by one woman can finish the work in x days. It means a woman can finish the work in 18 days and a man can finish the work in 36 days. This is one of the very important question, and we should, first of all, we should understand that the work as a group wise given, we have to convert, that is for one day, then only we can finish it. Okay.